doing?
To me. Get out of there. I was just going to do it to you. Giuseppe, what are you doing? You did a beautiful job over here.
I know, yeah.
I love the way you made all the patches and everything.
You
got the inner, you got the trunk floor. Look at this.
That's
look at this.
Perfect, right?
It's beautiful. There's the bottom of your, a little more
it's got to
tuning.
Be cut a little up here.
Got a little tuning going
together,
on.
But
it looks beautiful. It really does.
So we're working on the driver's side now. Trunk and the passenger side is off the list.
Sure is.
It's done. You know, I was talking to Mom, and she wanted me to tell you that since, you know, I have some followers visiting me tomorrow.
Right.
We are like Grinchy.
We're Grinchy.
Grinch
is Grinchy. Like a Grinch? Like a guy that doesn't like Christmas?
Yeah.
What do you mean I'm Grinchy? I even bought a guy you mistletoe.
A what? Mistletoe? I'm picturing a toe that comes out of like a cannon for the war.
Was it a toe with a missile?
I
bought you a mistletoe. I put up lights at the house. We're Grinchy. I'm not Grinchy.
We're Grinchy because there's no Christmas tree.
She has a Christmas tree at the house.
The followers aren't going to our house. They're going to be in the shop.
You want me to get a Christmas tree over here now, today? It's Christmas Eve. How am I going to get a Christmas tree today?
That's the thing. She wanted us to go buy one.
Really?
I know exactly where the perfect Christmas tree is from here.
You know where we could get a Christmas tree on Christmas Eve?
Perfect Christmas tree.
What's that, like the Salvation Army or something like that? Where are you going to get one? Well, listen, is this something that could be done quick?
Is the frog guy watertight?
You didn't answer me. All right, now what you bring me? What tree? Where's this tree?
There's a perfect...
The perfect tree.
Christmas tree.
In the woods.
Yeah. Come on, bro.
How are we going to get it off? Did you bring a saw? You didn't bring a saw? Is it in the ground?
Well, I didn't teleport here tonight and like rip it out with a magic wand. It's still in the
ground.
Well,
how am I going to get it out?
Well, come on. You're like Mr. Bodybuilder of the Year or something.
Oh, yeah.
There it is.
Where?
Right there.
This dead dog.
I'm not kidding.
This is what we came here for. How are you going to get this thing out of the ground? I'm going home. Listen, I'm going.
I have a gold key. And its
the
name
crapper
is Pops.
How am I supposed to dig a tree out of the ground? I can't bring the car here and pull.
It's probably going to get stuck.
How am I going to get this out? You're going to dig it out. Go dig. You start from one with your fingers. With your fingers, we're going to dig. I'm leaving with something today. I'm running out of patience.
Was there thorns on my back?
No. Man.
Oh, man.
I'm tired. How am I supposed to get this out? I'm leaving with something today. You know, your mother's another one because she comes up with these great ideas, you know what I mean? You know?
I mean, seriously, she's kind of right. This was probably a mistake.
Yeah, son of a... God, help me.
What just happened just now?
I got it.
Did you?
You son of a bitch! Help me out!
Alright, well, there it is. Alright, wait, hold on.
Oh no.
Wait.
I'm out of breath. Alright, let's load it up.
Did you bring something to tie it up with? Don't tell me.
You didn't bring nothing?
You gotta be kidding.
You gotta be kidding me.
Is it in the trunk?
Let me see what you got.
Don't break anything.
Oh, hey. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Dun, dun. Dun, 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 Hey, Cat, you ain't jive. You have a headlight? Oh, I broke them.
Ooh, ooh. Scissors, scissors.
What's the problem? How are you going to cut them?
don't even have scissors. What are you gonna do? We go.
Oh, it's in the Macwell house container. Let's hurry.
Are you sure it's a
We
Christmas
got
tree?
rope right here. How you doing? How you doing? Cut this right here.
Hold on. What is following me around?
All right. Give me.
I don't know what the hell happened.
When it rains, it pours. What are you doing? No, no, stop, stop.
Grab the.
Pull. Oh, man, forget about it. What did you do? Where are you going to get another tree? Oh, forget this. Give me the scissors. Let's start over. All right, wait. Come here.
What is this? Ah! Back to this.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, yeah, look at me go.
How'd you tie this to a rock?
Oh, my knee.
Merry Christmas. Cut this.
This sucks. Oh, my knee.
All right.
You got your tree.
Oh, man, that's good. Now, let's go home, set everything up, and then finish everything that we started with the tree.
Basically, yeah.
That's it. How the heck did we get in here? I'm lost. Yeah, did we come from back there? I think I remember. I think I remember. Got some Christmas ornaments. Left the headlights on. Oh, it's all right. We're almost home. We'll get ornaments. Don't worry. They got them in this place, I think. There's nothing here. I got a nut,
Check
a
that
ballbuster, a nutcracker.
They really don't have.
They got ribbon. What are we gonna decorate it with? What's this? Yeah.
That's me. Yeah. Yep.
I'm gonna do with this.
Oh my God.
Gift tissue. What is that? Like for Santa Claus to blow his nose? What are these things? Icicles. Another $1. You gotta get icicles. Oh, what are these Legos? You can't do that with that. Oh, balls.
The bell of the ball.
That's me. A unicorn. Ooh. I'm ready for New Year's, baby. I reckon. I don't think that's right. Wait, stop. Wish I had my glasses, huh?
Yeah.
I got balls. I got ribbon. I got some stencil. I got a bib. I got more ribbon. I got a lemon squeezer. I got icicles. And I got ribbon. Should be able to decorate the tree, right? Dude, $19. Where are you gonna find $19? I think I did good.
12.
Just in icicles. Come on.
12. Wait, 12 ornaments, little balls. Is gonna fit.
No, it's plenty. It's not that big of a tree. Look at this. Look at this. With this, forget it.
Yeah, but what are you gonna do with lemon squeezer?
Couldn't say no. It was like nothing. All right, come on. Let's go. Let's get back now. We gotta decorate the tree. Where's my keys?
I left them in the car again.
Oh, did I? I told you nobody will take it.
What are you doing?
The door's stuck. All right, so now everything's set.
The tail lights out.
The tail light's out.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it. Well, it's a ground. It's a ground. The hubcap's gone. What? We lost the hubcap.
Oh no, it's all right. It's all right. It only has 3 to begin with.
You didn't have a 4th one?
No.
I'm gonna tie the top. There we go. All right, find out where you want to set this thing up. We got our tree. That wasn't easy. It wasn't fun either.
Took a whole day.
I can't believe you didn't even bring a saw. What time did your mother start with this tree thing? You gotta have a tree. You're a Grinch. Because you don't have a tree. Because tomorrow somebody has to come and visit you. One of your subscriber people have to come visit, so we don't have a tree. I tried to explain to her, it's a shop. What's the big deal? She goes, no, you gotta have a tree.
2 o'clock.
She started crying. Huh?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock? 2 o'clock we started? That's not bad. What time is it?
Hold on. This looks like a lot bigger than 9 feet. The ceiling's...
Don't affect. It's less. Well, we're gonna have to trim it a little. Nice. All right, here, let's move this.
I think we could.
All right. No, I think we did good. This is beautiful. This is beautiful, this tree. Well, go get the balls. Good. We're gonna make a stand. Without a stand, you can't stand. So we're gonna make this, it'll slide into here, weld it to the rim, so it doesn't tip side to side. At least a sleeve, it'll fit in, it'll stay nice and straight. Good? All right, let's do it. Stand it up. All right, wait, it's gotta go lower, you gotta cut some of the branches off. Then all the other reindeers sat there and called them names, because the spoiled little p***s. And then Rudolph went to the gym, did some steroids, kicked the shit out of all of them, because they didn't want to play his games. Then Santa Claus came over his house and said, oh, what do you want from me, bro? Rudolph, with your head so nice, you want to wear a G-string for me tonight. I guess Rudolph is a girl.
I didn't feel like...
Is Rudolph a girl?
Rudolph is a horse.
Go. When I went to the dollar store, I had a couple extra dollars. I lost my cigar. They didn't have much to go by, so I got you wherever I could. I'll open an early Christmas present. It's
You
yours.
get it.
Go ahead.
That's
go.
for me?
Go get it. Go ahead.
Why is there a pot holder on the tree? Why is there a pot holder?
Read your call. Well, read the box.
To Rachel from the man. Oh, the man.
Oh!
Is this supposed to be a snowflake?
No, it's a bowl. The cameraman made it. Huh? See? Hey, I did what I could. They didn't have shit in there.
I actually need this.
Do you?
I only have the green
In the
one.
summer, right?
No, you know which one I use for the lemons?
Which ones?
The green one for limes.
What's the difference?
It's smaller.
Oh, this one's bigger?
This one's big.
The way things work.
But you forgot something.
Hmm.
You forgot the star.
I'm gonna have to make one.
That's very symmetrical.
It's not working. That good? Good? Hey, a beautiful. You got the icicles, you got a bib. I thought it was a decoration for Christmas, but it turns out it's a bib. Got a beautiful tree. No matter what, you keep your faith. We did what we had to do.
But
Man, we put that tree in here.
But the only thing that helped us was that shit.
It did. No matter what. That's the only car we had here. The other car was at home. I got a ride here this morning. There you have it. We did the right thing. We got the tree up. I don't look like a Scrooge apparently now. See? Did what we had to do. Taking over the world.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.